At Standard Electric, we understand the importance of efficiency and profitability in your business. As your partner, we strive to help you achieve those goals.
For Wash World, everything that we do is about efficiency, and there's a lot of things that we just can't do nearly as well as some other companies such as Standard Electric. So one service that Standard Electric offers Wash World is custom kitting. It saves us time during the manufacturing process, and it saves us floor space when we're setting up to assemble our equipment. Another benefit to working with Standard Electric is that we feel that we have a partnership more than just a business relationship. Standard Electric will often work closely with us to package their materials in such a way that fit on our shelves better, saving us time and space so that we can install it quicker onto our machine, have faster throughput, be more efficient at getting our machines out to our customer in time.
At Standard Electric, we offer a range of customer assembly and kitting solutions tailored to meet your unique needs. We work together to ensure your success.
One of the services that Standard Electric supplies is their custom kitting. Their custom kitting helps the productivity by having all the parts here at the same time. My employees can go and grab the box, which is nicely labeled, and know everything is going to be there on time every time. Not only does the custom kitting help us stay more efficient, but it helps our workers be able to deal with the more important things and stay on task.
Our services provide significant benefits like labor and cost reduction, time savings, and space optimization on your plant floor. For us at Standard Electric, it's all about making sure that you can focus on what's most important for you and your customers.